Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to get iOS 15 on your iPhone 5, including your iPhone 6 or your iPhone 6 Plus if you own one. You read the title correctly, but with this one it's not an actual iOS 15. It is just a theme that you can apply on your iPhone, but with this one it requires you to jailbreak your iPhone. Now let me show you how you can do it. So now you need to go to Cydia, and then from Cydia you need to install a snowboard, and it is a theme engine. So just go ahead and search for snowboard here. This one that you need, hit on modify and then install, but because I have already installed it, so it does not show you to install. So now let me go back. Then you need to search for snowboard icon mask extension. For the repo I also included in my video description as well. So now let me go back, and then you need to go to sources, and you need to add additional repo. This is the repo that I have already created, and just go ahead and hit on edit and add to add the repo, and then click on add source. For me, I have already done that, so just go back, go to all packages, and this is the one that you need to install. So after you install, you need to go back and then go to setting, and then from setting go to snowboard, and you need to select themes, so make sure you enable it. And then on extension here, you need to make sure you enable icon mask extension as well in order to make it work. And as you can see, so you should be able to see this. We have the camera icon, the new map icon, the App Store, iTunes Store, the TV icon and stuff like that, including Find My iPhone. Now let's talk about the iPhone 6 here. It is exactly the same. You need to make sure you go to Cydia. First, install snowboard. Second one, you need to install snowboard icon mask extension. After that, you need to go back and add my repo here, and then you need to go back and add my repo here. This is the one that you need, so it's set for the iPhone 5, but it also works on your iPhone 6 or your iPhone 6 Plus as well. So now let me go back, and you can see we have got all of the new icon, including calendar, camera, maps, weather and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one. And for the wallpaper, I also included in my video description too. Make sure you check out for iOS 15 wallpaper.